Hey guys, so I'm coming at you guys. I forgot to make sure there's nothing in my teeth. I'm coming at you guys with the Zulu by Juvia's Place. This is my fourth installment in 10 Looks One Palette. I should probably look at myself before filming these videos, but whatever. I do encourage you guys to go back and look at my other videos. I had someone suggest that I do Blood Sugar by Jeffree Star, but it's already done. And then I've done Thirsty Androgyny, and this is my fourth. I posted on Instagram the order you guys wanted to see it in, and this was the second one. So Androgyny was first, and this is second. I'll tell you right away, really enjoy this palette. I haven't experienced much patchiness. People were saying, and I say people, one person was saying that there's a lot of patchiness. I didn't experience that personally, and I didn't experience a lot of fallout either. I'm quite satisfied with this palette, and this actually inspired me to buy 5 more Juvia's Place products. So I have their 2 blush palettes coming. I have Deuce, and I have the Festival. I think that's what it's called. I can't remember what I have, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, maybe I'll do like another poll on what you guys want to see next. So anyway, that's besides the point, neither here nor there. I really like this palette. I won't keep you guys for long. I'll get right into it. I'm really enjoying doing this. It is a ton of work, but I get a lot of fulfillment doing it. And honestly, I get gratification knowing that people are enjoying it. Maybe that's not proper, but whatever. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The Zulu by Juvia's Place. Bye!